From the trusted name in fire protection comes a new solution for interior finish contractors. Introducing the Hilti Firestop Top Track Seal CFS-TTS, an easy-to-use product for top-of-wall firestop needs. This innovative once-and-done solution eliminates the need for messy caulks, sprays, and the problems that come with them, like the need for surface cleaning and material shrinkage. The seal restricts smoke, air, and sound by filling in the gap between metal tracks and imperfect concrete. To install, simply lay the seal over the top of the drywall track. Align the track with a line laser, fasten, and move on. CFS-TTS comes in 10-foot sections, which can easily be cut to custom lengths. Plus, pieces can be put in series, one after another, virtually eliminating scraps and waste. It's the perfect combination of easy installation and performance, tested to the most up-to-date UL standards for movement and sealing properties. Put your firestop needs on the right track with the Hilti Firestop Top Track Seal, CFS-TTS.